When people talk about money online, the conversation often focuses on one thing: wealth, investments, millionaire strategies, early retirement. But before wealth comes something much more important: financial stability. And understanding the difference between stability and wealth can completely change how you think about money. Financial stability means your financial life is predictable and manageable. Your bills are covered. You have savings for unexpected expenses. Your income supports your lifestyle. There is space between what you earn and what you spend. Stability doesn't necessarily mean being wealthy. It simply means your financial foundation is strong. And that foundation reduces stress and uncertainty. Wealth is something different. Wealth usually refers to assets that grow over time. Investments, businesses, property, savings that generate income. Wealth allows for long-term financial independence. But wealth usually grows slowly and steadily. And it's difficult to build lasting wealth without first having stability. Imagine trying to build a house without a foundation. You might be able to add walls and a roof, but eventually the structure becomes unstable. Money works the same way. If someone is constantly dealing with unexpected expenses, debt pressure, or inconsistent cash flow, it becomes very difficult to invest or build wealth. Stability creates the conditions that allow wealth to grow. It creates financial breathing room. The path usually happens in stages. First comes financial organization. Understanding income, expenses, and accounts. Then comes stability. Building savings and reducing financial pressure. And finally comes wealth building. Investing consistently over time. Each stage builds on the one before it. Trying to skip the stability stage often creates frustration. But building a strong foundation makes the next stage much easier. Financial stability rarely gets as much attention as wealth. It's quieter, less dramatic. But for many people, stability is the change that improves their daily life the most. When your finances are stable, money stops feeling chaotic. It becomes something manageable and predictable. Wealth can be an important goal. But stability is the foundation that makes everything else possible. When your finances are organized, predictable, and resilient, you create the conditions where wealth can grow naturally over time. If you'd like a simple guide that helps build financial clarity and stability step by step, you can download the Financial Reset Kit at readthebrief.company. In the next video, we'll talk about something that often surprises people: how small financial habits create long-term change.